Yeah. When I was recording my video singing log, I kept accidentally taking, like, the 4 pictures.
Yes.
That was
It's
not
a
fun.
struggle sometimes. Okay,
Yeah.
and just can you review with me how far this like in pin comes in?
Well, it varies from person to person. Oh, let me see where it is on you right now.
Okay.
It varies from person to person and chair to chair. I think it might be a little far out right now.
Okay.
So you should be able to kind of hug it with your knees.
Okay.
And this usually kind of stabs you in the leg.
Okay.
This one.
Down here. So I should bring it up more?
Maybe bring it closer to, I don't know, closer to you, like
this?
Yeah. But, again, it's different for everybody. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
But, for us, we kind of have to make a choice.
Yeah.
Whether or not the cello goes over or under.
Mm-hmm.
And it has to go under for me or else it's up here.
Right. Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah, you might need to be under as well.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Is it slidey? You can take the rubber part off and stab it into the ground.
Fine right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, we should tune, probably.
Yes.
Not probably, we should definitely tune.
Okay.
Oh, not clear. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna knock this out of tune.
Is that?
It's easiest to tune with the bow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, see. Good?
You're a little bit flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then if you're flat, you go this way.
Yeah. It's like righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Still a little bit. That's close enough, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And then check the rest of your strings.
Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah. That Whoa. So this tuner usually has a really hard time picking up C strings, but it seems to have no problem with yours.
My C is usually super flat. There we go.
Okay. So, D major?
Yes.
Or do you have any, like, other questions about, like, left hand, right hand stuff?
Can you? I think I'm good with the bow hand. My biggest struggle is placing, like, my first finger. I have no idea, like, how far down to start. Does that make sense?
What are you doing with your thumb? Is that how you...
No,
okay.
no.
Okay, I was really concerned.
No. So, like, I always have to be like, okay. Yeah. And then, like, find the half step. But is there a way to just, like, get there? So
a lot of this is muscle memory. It's different spacing on like every cello. Every instrument is different.
Mm-hmm.
They all have different string lengths, different like string heights, different everything. It's crazy.
Okay.
But you just kind of have to find it and try to remember where it is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you just want to start with D major then? And
Yeah.
maybe I should pluck it first.
Okay.
That usually helps. And also, like, is it okay that all this rosin is on here?
It's fine-ish, but you should clean it after you play.
Okay.
But whenever you pluck, you don't want to go down here where all this rosin is. You can do it up
okay.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that probably makes a huge difference.
Yeah. Your hands won't be all sticky.
Okay. So, do you want to do, like, half notes?
That works, yeah.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got those two. Can you talk to me about like the width in between my fingers? Is that too close?
Can you try to play it again? Again, it differs. Can you play it with your open D? That D.
Is that right?
Can you try to put a little more pressure? I think you're. Hold on, can I feel your strings for a minute? Can you let go? Yeah, that's really high up there. It's stupid how they do that. But you might need to let a little more weight from your arm hang down on the string.
Okay.
Put a little more pressure on the string so you're not like getting like half.
Okay. So, let's see. That better?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, can we start from the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe we should bow it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to pick a rhythm?
You can pick a rhythm. I don't know what you guys are.
We usually do the. What are they called?
And Danny said something about Suzuki
Yeah.
but I'm not really familiar with Suzuki.
Yeah. We can just do pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Because that's the one that I remember right now. So when you do this, you start on down bow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to... You can count us off this time.
And when you start... when you play at the frog, you don't have to really go all the way to like the metal part of the frog.
Okay.
Just kind of right there. I mean, you can, but sometimes, especially as like you start to really need to get your bow rehaired, like I do, it doesn't really make any sound there.
Okay. Does that sound okay?
I'm so tired. Okay, can you put your bow on the string and kind of move your bow to like move the string, kind of catch the string, but don't really make a sound? That's the kind of like grip that you want on the string, but you don't want to like keep it and like pull it out. You want to just release the tension and pull the bow.
It's going back and forth. Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you do it kind of slow?
Yeah.
Or?
So I'll just like get this forward. Dun 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 dun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Sorry. It's like putting the fingers in the bow together are a struggle.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so I've noticed that your hand likes to
slide
up the fingerboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I? So should I apply more pressure then, or
no? Just make sure your elbow is out. You don't want it to be like over here, like on your ribs or anything. It needs to be nice and out there. Your thumb should be kind of curved.
Okay.
Like my teacher in middle school always would say, C thumb. C for cello.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No banana thumbs. Yeah.
Okay. Can we start back at the top? Because I think my biggest problem is going from the B, or from the A to the G. Finding that again.
Yeah.
So.
I think your hand is way too high up right now.
Okay.
No, go the other way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you go down, you go higher up. That's what you say. Okay.
Yeah. You, like decrease the length of the string.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to go the other way. Yeah. There we go.
Okay. So, 1, 2, 3,
Can I see that cello for a second?
Yes.
I just want to see what the spacing is like on this. It's kind of big from 1 to 3. Just try to keep your thumb basically in the same place, kind of like with your second finger, because that's I don't know where your hand is the most balanced. Just had a huge master class on balance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as long as this doesn't move, your hand should stay relatively the same place. And I still, my first finger still likes to creep sharp.
Thank you. Okay. So maybe try that one more time.
Can you go up from A?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Yeah, just keep in mind that you have to kind of stretch your finger back.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not just like
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Okay. that makes sense. Okay.
All right.
Do you want to try one of these?
Yeah.
Okay, you can kind of explain to me maybe. I have to pick 2 of these between this one
And there's
Simple Gifts in America.
Mhm.
So which do you think would be the easiest? I feel like maybe these 2. No?
You could do those. I think these are the 2 that I've worked on the most with Danny.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would prefer to do these 2.
Okay.
So, can we pluck it first?
Mhm.
Let's see. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to count us off?
You can do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's where I lose it.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
B to the G.
So you can kind of keep your 4th finger in the same place whenever you go up to the G, or up to the A from the G.
Okay.
And then just put.
Okay. So let's see. Oh.
Yeah, and remember to keep your elbow up so your hand is more over it like this.
Okay. Can we try it again?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's... Sorry, I didn't pick up my
That's okay.
fingers. You're going to start with that D?
Yeah.
Maybe you just do that much real quick?
Yeah.
Baby steps.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, first, sorry. Can you talk to me about the bowing in this first measure? Because I know there's like the slurs and stuff. So let me just, maybe I'll tell you what I think it is and you tell me if I'm wrong. So down, up, down, up, or down, up.
It's down, up, down, up.
Okay, so.
See how. Well, you guys play slurs, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
Okay.
Just make sure it's not like. It's just one.
What notes are those?
The slur one, sorry.
Like that?
Yeah.
This is hard. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3.
You want to do it a little bit slower?
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3.
Do it really slow?
Maybe we should just do note by note right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So the G goes down.
So, go the other way.
Okay, so down, down.
It's the B on the A string. It's back to that B. Yeah. Still let your hand
Slide.
fall up the fingerboard.
My wrist is like killing me. Is that normal?
Are you like strangling your fingerboard right now?
What do you mean by strangling?
Like, are you really squeezing it?
Yes.
Don't do that.
Okay. Okay.
Like, I know it's really hard not to do, but you just what holds the note, it's not us like pressing, like clamping down with our fingers and our thumbs. It's us like letting, ideally anyway, it's us letting the weight of our arms.
Okay.
Yeah, just
hanging
our arms onto the strings.
Okay. Can we start at the B? So B, G, B, C. So it starts going down, so. Okay, so B, G. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. See how your hand is right now?
Yes.
How it's like, kind of like that?
Yeah.
Try to keep the same shape.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't
go up a little more. Go a little farther away from.
Down more?
You want to just start from the D and go up to the G?
Yeah, so. Okay.
Hold on. Take your hand, kind of. So instead of like, kind of being like this, can you just like rotate your wrist more this way so it's, yeah, and just kind of spread your fingers apart a little more. Yeah.
Okay.
So there should be a bigger space between 1 and 2.
And
then 2 and 3 are pretty close together, and then 4 is a little bit farther away.
Okay.
Yeah.
So down. I think that's right. So B, G,
Your hand is falling up again. It's okay. Just be sure to keep your elbow. Yeah.
Okay. So. That was too low, right?
Yeah, everything's really sharp. So can we play a D major scale again?
Yes.
Try to get the feel of it again.
Yeah. Okay. Stretching that first finger like you were talking about. I'm just forgetting to do that most of the time. Okay. So it's the BGB that's like killing me. So first note B. And then it goes to C. So B, G.
Yeah.
Okay, that was way better.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just go to like the second, because I just have to work on that part. Just making sure the second ending is good, even like.
Well, do you want to play this with the second ending, so we can go into it?
Sure. Sorry. Okay. Let me make sure I hit the G. So.
start, check your hand shape. Okay, good.
Okay. So. I was doing the second ending. Can we just start on the second ending for me? I totally just guessed her.
It's okay. Let's do it again. Just go up to G from D.
I can't tell where my energy is. I have no idea. Is that closer?
I think you just need to put more weight into your arm for that G. Because your strings are too far away from your fingerboard.
Okay, I think that's one of my biggest problems actually, because now that you just said that, I haven't been focusing on like making sure that my fingers go down at all.
Yeah.
So maybe that's one of my issues as well.
Yeah, and your wrist likes to collapse.
It hurts.
Yeah. I've noticed you squeeze a lot, your wrist likes to go that way.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. You just need to focus on like how it's more not like that really far, but it's more curved. Everything is really curved this way for us.
Okay. So completely different from the oboe or the English horn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because everything's the opposite now.
Yeah. Okay, so I think that's good. What are your biggest... Okay, so let's just review everything.
Okay.
Because actually this has been like a huge help. So my first issue is like the position of my arm. I need to make sure that my elbow's out. And my hand is in the shape of a C. Is this good?
Yeah. Make sure that your thumb is what should be C-shaped.
Okay.
C thumb.
Okay. And then I need to make sure that I apply pressure.
And make sure that your hand isn't doing this kind of stuff. Like you're kind of doing how you're
like this?
The back of your hand is kind of pointing back here, where it should be more like
okay.
That way, except but don't raise your shoulder up there. Okay. Like everything should be really relaxed and your hands are kind of the same. Like if you were just to lift up your hands like this, maybe put your bow down. Like just kind of shake your hands out and like how like you have that like natural curve. That's kind of the shape of both of your hands. Like your bow especially. It's just kind of your fingers just kind of flap over the bow. Yeah. And this hand is still like really naturally curved. But you have to keep in mind like the shape of your hand and like where your fingers are and everything, because you don't want to like do this. So I know like, it's really easy to like forget and to just like kind of do that.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so
and kind of try to like to rotate your arm, like your whole so you're not, it's really hard to explain from over there, so that you're not like that,
right? You
kind of just want to like rotate yourself to be more that way.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, and then can you check my bow one more time?
Yeah.
Maybe, does it matter like how the bow plays on the instrument? Like, would my bow
Yes.
play differently on your instrument?
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to, like, check out my setup? Sorry.
Yeah.
That way, because, like, I feel like I would be going along fine. I don't change anything, and then, like, something gets really weird.
Yeah, these bows are not good.